In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide education on LinkedIn Mobile. If you want a cleaner public presence or simply prefer to keep your school history private, you can control that right inside the LinkedIn app. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. At the bottom of that menu, tap Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage how your profile is shared and what others can see. Next, select Visibility. Here, you'll find options that affect how your information appears to people on and off LinkedIn. Tap Edit Your Public Profile. This page controls your public profile, the version that shows up for people who aren't signed into LinkedIn and for search engines. At the top, you'll see Public Profile Visibility. If this overall switch is turned off, your entire public profile is hidden from non-members and search engines. That's an option if you want maximum privacy, but it also means your profile won't be discoverable outside LinkedIn. If you'd rather keep your profile public but hide specific details, leave the overall visibility on and scroll through the section Controls. Look for Education. You'll see a Show toggle next to it. Turn that off and your education will no longer appear on your public profile. There's no Save button. Changes apply automatically. You can usually preview how it looks right at the top of the page, so you'll see the education section disappear as soon as you flip the switch. A quick note on what this setting does. Hiding education here affects only your public profile. People who are signed into LinkedIn, like your connections or other members, may still see your education on your full profile, depending on your other visibility settings. If your goal is to limit visibility more broadly, review the rest of the visibility options later to make sure they match your preferences. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. LinkedIn's iOS and Android apps can vary a bit. The feature names are the same, and the controls are in the visibility area. If you don't see Edit Your Public Profile, updating the app often brings the latest interface into view. That's all it takes to hide your education on LinkedIn Mobile. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads.